A quiet patch of green waited at the edge of a restless city, and someone whispered, "It feels alive." A second voice answered, "Maybe it's more than we notice," and a breeze moved as if agreeing. Creatures hidden in shade stirred, not to be seen, but to remind the world that life grows where it's given room. The voices paused, sensing that every leaf was doing small, brave work in a place that forgot softness. "Strange," one said, "how life returns when we let it," and the green seemed to rise taller as if hearing a promise. "Keep noticing life."